Investing is an essential aspect of achieving financial success and securing a brighter future, but it can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. In this video, we'll discuss 9 common mistakes to avoid as you begin your investment journey. 1. Failing to set clear financial goals. One of the most significant mistakes investors make is not defining clear financial goals. Without a well-defined objective, it's challenging to choose the right investment strategy that aligns with your aspirations. Take some time to determine your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for a down payment, retirement, or funding your child's education. 2. Putting all your eggs in one basket. Placing all your money into a single investment or asset class can expose you to significant losses if that investment underperforms. Instead, spread your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds to protect your portfolio from market fluctuations. 3. Ignoring risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance refers to your ability to withstand fluctuations in the market without losing sleep. If you're uncomfortable with significant up and downs, consider a more conservative investment approach. On the other hand, if you can tolerate higher risk, you may aim for higher returns with a more aggressive investment strategy. 4. Chasing fads and hot tips. Avoid making investment decisions based on the latest trends or tips from friends, family, or social media. Acting on speculative rumors or short-term trends can lead to impulsive choices that may harm your portfolio. 5. Market timing. Trying to time the market, which is predicting when to buy or sell investments based on market movements, is a risky endeavor. Even seasoned investors struggle with this. Attempting to time the market can lead to missed opportunities or significant losses. Instead, focus on staying invested for the long term and resist making hasty decisions. 6. Emotional investing. Investing based on emotions can be detrimental to your financial success. Fear and greed are common emotions that drive investors to make impulsive decisions, often resulting in buying high and selling low. Practice discipline and stick to your long-term investment strategy. 7. Neglecting regular portfolio reviews. Your financial situation and goals may change over time. Neglecting to review and adjust your investment portfolio from time to time can lead to missed opportunities or an imbalance in your asset allocation. Make it a habit to review your investments regularly. 8. Not investing in yourself. While financial investments are essential, don't forget to invest in yourself too. Continuous learning, skill development, and career advancement can have a significant impact on your earning potential and overall financial success. 9. Lack of patience and persistence. Investing is a journey that requires patience and persistence. Overnight success is very rare in the investment world. Stick to your long-term plan, stay informed, and avoid making drastic changes based on short-term performance. By avoiding these common investment mistakes, you increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember to set clear goals, diversify your investments, understand your risk tolerance, and make informed decisions. Stay disciplined, patient, and continuously educate yourself about the world of investing. With time and dedication, you can build a strong financial foundation for yourself and for your loved ones. Want more stock market information like this? Subscribe to the Bamboo YouTube channel to learn about investing and how to build generational wealth.